Hello learners, welcome to my channel CS Learning. Today we are going to see how standard modules work in Python, and we will see some programs with math module and as well as statistic module. So how it going to be work with short Python code, and what is actually standard modules, we are going to see those. Okay, so previously we have already talked about operators, different kind of operators, and we can do several codes with those operators. Now, in this lesson, we will see that some inbuilt functions are present in Python by which we can do our job very easily. Like math module used to have so many inbuilt modules and some constant. So see here, math module will contain a constant called E, that is return the Euler's number or Euler constant. Another constant is pi. It will return 3.1415. Okay, and that is the pi value. Now, except from these functions, we are having several functions in math module. So first I am moving into this Python code. Just look at here, this code is telling you to do to find out sine, cosine and tangent value of 87 degree. Okay, so we are having a value, angle value 87 degree. We have to find the sine, cosine and tangent value of this 87 degree angle, right? So before going into this code, I am just moving into this portion. Okay, so let me show you that how it going to be work actually, or what are the functions we are having here. So just look into this PDF. See, Python standard library provides a module, namely math, for math-related function that work with all number type except the complex number. So complex number is a special kind of number in mathematics. We are having this concept in math. So except this concept, complex number, we can work with all kind of numerical values along with some functions in this math module. This math module is nothing but a Python file which is provide you some inbuilt functions. Okay. Now here, what are the functions we are having? See, CEIL, ceil function will return you the ceiling value of a floating point number like this. 1.03 will returns you 2.0. Okay. Another function is floor. Floor function will return you the floor value. Like if I write math.floor 1.03, it will return 1.0. Okay. Similarly, we are having FABS function that will return the absolute value. So if I write 1.0 or minus 1.0, it will return me the absolute value of this number that is given as an argument. Okay. Now square root is XQRT. EXP is the natural logarithm function. Log is the logarithm function. We can have one number and base for this logarithm. Log 10 is another function. POW is another function. POW is actually used for having the exponential value of a number. Like if I write 3, if I want to find 3 to the power 4, so I have to write the base in place of base I will write 3, and in place of exponent I will write 4. Like that I can have the value of 3 to the power 4. Okay, so in this this function is inside math module, we can use it, okay, to calculate the values. Now some trigonometry functions are there here. Here are those functions: sine, cos, tan, degrees and radians. So sine will return the sine value of a argument, cos will return quotient value, and the tangent value for tan. Now these arguments must be in radians. Okay. So now if I am having a value in degree, I have to convert that value into radians. So for that I am having a function. We are having this function radians. Okay. So mind it, all of the functions we are writing, these are inside math module. This is a syntax or general syntax we are going to use over here. That's math dot degrees, math dot radians, math dot sine, like this. Okay. Now what is our code is telling us to do? Our code is telling that find the sine, cosine and tangent value of 87 degree. So first of all, we have to convert this 87 degree into radian. So I have import here math, then x equals to 87. Now you can put it in x or you can put directly 87 over here. I am taking it in a variable. You can put it in directly the value also. Okay, now I am just printing the radian value of 87. Okay, that is, you can see the radian value of 87 is 1.518, this much. Okay, and the sine value, now we will calculate the sine, cosine and tangent value of 87 with this converted radian value. Okay, now converted radian value, whenever I am giving it the sine value, cosine value and the tangent value we are having here as a result. And just you see, look at the syntax over here. This is for sine, this is for sine value, next one is for cosine value, math dot cos, and math dot tan is for tangent value. Okay, so this way we can use these functions over here to get the values. Okay, now one more module is there. It is called statistic module. Okay, so mainly we can have in this module, we can have mean, median and mode. These three functions we are having. Generally we use these three functions for this statistic module. Now the thing is, we have to take a series of number or a list of number to calculate the mean, median and mode. Like some raw data we have to take. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how to import statistic module using a series of numbers and how to use mean, median, mode functions and calculate the mean, median and mode for a series of number. Okay, so let's end up this video over here. We will again see some more codes with some more inbuilt functions and module. Thank you very much. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.